What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about dynamically selecting an operating system image within MDT. So let's get right into it. Yes, I know. Yeah, an MDT video, but it's a good one. Yes, I don't even know how to start this off because I know MDT is going to be like gone forever. Microsoft is not going to be supporting it no more. They stopped pushing out updates to it. So why continue doing MDT videos? Well, there's going to be companies that are still going to be using MDT until it finally breaks. A lot of people are slowly but surely migrating to SCCM or other deployment options out there, but MDT still works. So continue using it. But today's video is all about how to dynamically select OS images within the task sequence. I had a client that gave me a call. Actually, it wasn't a client, it was a friend that wanted me to help him out. And this is what I did. So we're going to open up the Deployment Workbench right here. We're going to go into the task sequence. And I'm not going to show you step by step of what I did. I'm just going to show you what you need to do, right? So within my environment, I created a BTNHD master Windows TS stands for task sequence. We're going to right click on that. We're going to go into properties, and within properties, let's go into the task sequence tab. So within the install folder, I added a couple of things, and this is what I did within, my friend's site. The first thing that we did was create a task sequence variable. And the task sequence variable, I defined it as all caps OSGUID, all capitalized letters. Once you create your variable, you are going to create a install operating system, sequence. This right here is for Windows 10 Enterprise. But within the options, I also created a task sequence variable, and I call it custom image variable equals to 1607. Now, the custom image variable could equal to whatever you want. For this example, I just did 1607. Within my friend's job site, he had something else, but for this testing environment, I did 1607. You're going to create an additional install operating system sequence within your task sequence. For this example, I did install Windows 11. I made sure that it is pointing to the correct Windows 11 WIM image. And within the options tab, I defined the task sequence variable, custom image variable equals to whatever you want. For this example, 24H2. That's it. That's all I did within the task sequence. You're going to apply it, you're going to okay it, and once you okay it, we're going to right click on our deployment, and we're going to go into properties. Within properties, let's click on the rules tab, and this is what I did within the customsetting.ini section. I define default gateway, and I also define the properties of custom image variable. Okay. Now for the default gateway, I provided the gateway of the locations. 192.168.10.1 is New York. 20.1 is New Jersey. So when the deployment start and the gateway is basically 10.1, it is New York. It is going to get the custom image variable 1607, which is Windows 10. If the deployment starts and the gateway is 20.1, which is New Jersey, they're going to get 24H2, which is Windows 11. Again, you could play around with this, but this is the basic concept of how it will work. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.